आज what are we doing?
So we are unboxing the lenses that I gifted you.
Yeah.
तो ये है 6 lenses. This is from Sandmark. It's a California based company जो lenses बनाती है iPhone के लिए specifically.
So कौन सा लेंस we kind
Okay.
of unbox first?
सबसे बड़ी इसमें ये लेंस है जो 6x ऑप्टिकल जूम होता है इससे. ये है
First वो कौन सा लेंस होगा जिसके साथ I can make multiple YouTube videos आराम से?
ये I think either we can go for this lens which is wide lens. It's a 16 mm lens, or we can go for maybe telephoto lens also we can try. So let's open it and see how it goes. So this is the lens that you will be sort of using, and the way to do it is somewhat like this.
Oh.
So that's how you do it, and it kind of uses your own iPhone camera lens, and it also uses the actual lens
Okay, yeah.
to enhance your videos. ये wide lens है 16 mm, and then you also have anamorphic lens.
अब lenses try करने के लिए we had to step out, and what better than this beautiful landscape? Just look around.
घर के पास एक रीजनल फॉरेस्ट है जहाँ पे बहुत लोग आते हैं स्कीइंग के लिए, समर्स में, विंटर्स में, वॉकिंग के लिए, साइकिलिंग के लिए. एंड घर से थोड़ा ही पास है बट यहाँ पे बहुत स्नो है, यू कैन सी. What do you think of the snow? मैंने तो सोचा नहीं था यहाँ पे इतनी स्नो होगी.
Well, neither did I, क्योंकि कल it was 1 degree Celsius जहाँ पे हम लोग रहते हैं.
Yeah.
But यहाँ पे I think maintenance नहीं होता है, so that's the reason why we see snow on the ground over here as well on the path that we're walking through. I mean, I'm just afraid it's already -7 or -9, something like that.
Yeah, -9 on the app.
But देखते हैं, -10 के नीचे नहीं जाना चाहिए.
हाँ, because we thought we didn't expect इतनी यहाँ पे snow होगी, probably because it's a forest as well. Forest the government maintain करती है for people to come, and
But that's only during summers, and they also had a board behind
yeah.
which mentioned that it's not winter maintained.
Okay, it's not maintained.
So it's been what, 4 years over here?
Yeah, 4 years.
Yeah. Like I think we landed in COVID during June 2020.
हाँ, during COVID.
So it's been a while since we've been here, and we've had like this is probably our 4th winter if I'm not
Fourth
mistaken.
winter, right? Oh my god, I'm already cold and these Lululemon gloves don't work at all. मेरे हाथ अभी बहुत ठंडे हो रहे हैं and shoes में snow shoes नहीं है. Again, because we didn't prepare for this kind of snow. So let's see how long we can sustain. But we have to do some interesting thing. We have to check out our lenses, right?
Correct.
Yeah. So let's go.
You know the name of the place?
Durham Regional Forest.
Correct. Finally.
Yeah.
There are different types of trees over here that you should see.
Yeah.
So you go to different hikes and you find different trees. Can you see? So over here, there's different paths: maple, white pine, spruce, and red oak.
Yeah.
And these are all, I think they're supposed to be coniferous trees,
Yeah.
which actually only grow in colder climates or colder regions.
Oh, okay. And I think last time when we came, we went to see the spruce, right?
Yes, I think we followed the spruce trail. So
Yeah.
maybe let's take the maple trail today.
Yeah, let's take the maple trail. Maple का direction इधर है तो इधर जाएंगे. And last time हमने spruce के direction के लिए this side गए थे. Okay, let's go. जितना आगे जाएंगे उतना वापस भी आना पड़ेगा by the way.
But I think it's more like a circle.
Really?
So, yeah, if you go from the left, you end up going through the other trails as well if you just keep going.
Oh yeah, I think they
Because
are
it's a-
interconnected.
Yeah, it's a locked sort
Yeah,
of forest region.
yeah. अब यहाँ से चलेंगे कैसे?
It's a path.
My God, it is so much full of snow, but there is a path. Path में नहीं चला तो फिर आधा आधा पैर स्नो में जाएगा, जैसे यहाँ पर. Headed toward the maple trees, जो of course winters में तो होंगे ही नहीं, but जैसे जैसे आगे जाते जा रहे हैं वैसे वैसे रास्ता पतला होता जा रहा है.
I was just saying कि trees तो होंगे लेकिन leaves नहीं होंगे.
हाँ हाँ, I meant that only, the trees won't go away, but उस पे of course leaves नहीं होंगे. Leaves आएंगे next spring में. And it is so cold कि now I'm unable to speak also. By the way, सारे trees के leaves don't fall off. These kind of trees, I don't know what are they called. They are spruce? I don't know.
It's a Christmas tree, I think, yeah.
Okay.
If I'm not mistaken, that is.
Yep.
Looks like one.
Yeah, now I think it's a good time to try out the lenses because my hands are freezing.
काफ़ी चलने के बाद we found a perfect spot where we could try all our lenses.
So we are heading back to the car because we didn't have good gloves that are needed for this kind of snow, and our hands are freezing. मतलब they are numb, and we are scared that we don't want frostbite. So we are heading back to the car, and गाड़ी में जाके we're gonna warm our hands and ourselves a little, and then come out and try out the other lenses. How do you feel?
That's a good plan because we don't want the frostbite.
Yeah.
And the consequences of a frostbite are bad.
Yeah, and we are both tomorrow.
Usually what happens is this way. You don't want to get a frostbite because if it goes worse, then sometimes you have to cut your fingers.
Oh my God, yeah.
So you don't want that. So precaution or prevention is always better than cure.
Yeah.
तो चलो गाड़ी में जाते हैं, हाथ थोड़े से गर्म करते हैं, वापस आते हैं. And then we'll test all the other ones.
Yeah.
Probably near the car.
Yeah.
Because that will be a better option.
Yeah.
Given the cold.
Yeah. And उंगलियों से ही तो सारा काम है, कल ऑफिस में भी लैपटॉप पे भी इसी से काम करना है.
And one learning lesson from this
is
that you need really good gloves if you want to come outside.
Yeah, for outdoors, right?
Yeah.
ये
Definitely.
urban cold के लिए सही है, urban snow season के लिए these gloves. But
if you're here for a very long time,
yeah,
it's better to get more protection.
Yeah.
So
I'm wearing a headband and a beanie. I'm not feeling cold at all in my legs or body में कहीं पर, but it's only the hands. So we need mittens, I guess.
puffy gloves, yeah.
Yeah,
I mean,
mittens.
mittens, correct.
Yeah.
Which we had, but we lost.
Oh,
And we
he
had
dropped.
again.
It's very common to drop gloves. क्योंकि आप एक बार गर्म एरिया में जाते हो तो you take off your gloves and keep them in your jacket, and chances are that they are gonna fall off. So we are reaching the parking. It's paid parking here. You can scan the code and pay it online. And before reaching the car, what are you doing?
I'm gonna be defrosting it
Yeah.
and also changing the temperatures remotely.
Yeah.
Then garam mile hawa.
Yeah. So
Seat be warm more.
yeah, we can access our car ke feature functionality through the app. And before we reach the car, we are going to ensure that car is warm enough for our welcome. Seats भी warm कर देंगे and defrosting process भी start कर देंगे, and it can all be done via the app. So
which is very convenient.
Yeah, which is very convenient. Otherwise आपको खुद जाके start करना पड़ता है. So we are planning to kind of head outside again. We are warm enough. So are you ready?
Just give me 5 more minutes, I think, because my hands have frozen quite a lot.
Yeah.
was round 2. We were successful this time.
Yeah.
So happy about it.
Yeah.
Now heading back to some nice cozy car, which is already
He did.
heated, hopefully.
Yeah. And इस बार हम ज़्यादा आगे नहीं गए. We spotted a nice location जो एक cycle track है, and we kind of tested all our lenses there. We are inside the car. Our hands are nicely warm and toasted, and ज़्यादा गर्म करने के लिए we are actually touching the steering wheel because it's hot. It's a heated wheel.
The blood inside was freezing, I think. In our hands, in our fingers.
It's very very cold outside,
Yeah.
but गाड़ी में आके it feels warm. People are so enthusiastic. See, they got their skis and all. And the dog. So we have come to pick up dinner. ये इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट है, ढाबा NH1. If you can see, हम यहाँ बहुत आते हैं, अक्सर आते हैं खाना यहाँ से पिकअप करने जब खाना बनाने का मन नहीं करता है. और यहाँ के वेज चिली मोमोज आर सिंपली अमेजिंग. ओ माय गॉड, मैंने इतने अच्छे मोमोज इंडिया में भी नहीं खाए हैं. खाए हैं?
One of the best, I would say.
Yeah.
But बहुत अच्छे हैं.
बहुत अच्छे हैं.
तो चलो ले लेते हैं.
स्टफ्ड मोमोज हैं.
ठंड भी है.
हाँ,
ले
ठंड
लेते
भी है, एक्चुअली ले लेते हैं. फूड इज हियर. इसमें है दाल और इसमें है मोमोज. So let's go home and eat. And momos के साथ I wanted to have some drinks as well. Drinks as in Coca-Cola. यहीं पे एक store है, so I'll pick up my drink from there. Time to have momos. I think ये world के best momos हैं. I'll show you. आते समय मुझे टीवी देखने की बहुत आदत है. बिना टीवी देखे आई कांट मुझे खाना खाना अच्छा ही नहीं लगता है. तो मोस्टली डिनर के टाइम पे आई वॉच सम टीवी. बातें करने से पहले खा लेती हूँ. वेरी टेस्टी. एंड इसमें कुछ स्मोकी फ्लेवर आता है.
So we had our dinner, watched some TV, and called it a night. See you in the next vlog. Bye. Good night.